Amitabh Bachchan talks about spending quiet time with his family on his blog. Amidst the separation rumors going on about his son Abhishek Bachchan and daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. To know all the details, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Amitabh Bachchan भले ही अपने 80s में पहुंच चुके हों, लेकिन वो कभी भी फ्री नहीं रहते और काम में बिजी रहते हैं. He manages multiple projects, shoots for commercials and hosts the TV show कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. This week, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति 16 aired on Sony TV. Fans are excited about the show and eager to see which contestant will win the most money. Big B got emotional in the first episode and thanked the audience for the continuous love and support. और अब एक बड़ी अपडेट आई है. August 15 जो कि एक पब्लिक हॉलिडे था, तब भी अमिताभ बच्चन ने एक रेयर डे ऑफ लिया था. He used his time to rest, catch up on personal tasks and spend time with his family. In a blog post, he mentioned that it was a quiet day where he could finally take a break from his busy studio schedule and appreciate the chance to relax. ब्लॉग में अमिताभ बच्चन ने बात की पुराने पेंडिंग काम पे कैचअप करने की, जो कि स्टूडियो में उनके शूट्स की वजह से पेंडिंग था. He apologized for not being able to provide a more detailed blog post but assured that he would be more balanced in the future. He expressed that the audience's love and feedback are his main sources of inspiration and talked about his commitment to responding to them. The Sholay actor's enjoyment of his day off coincided with ongoing rumors about his son Abhishek Bachchan and daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The rumors began last month when Aishwarya did not attend Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding with Abhishek and his family. Abhishek posed for photos with his parents, Amitabh and Jaya Bachchan, and his sister Shweta along with her children Navya and Agastya Nanda. On the other hand, Aishwarya arrived separately with the daughter Aradhya Bachchan. This led fans to speculate about issues in the couple's relationship. Later, Abhishek Bachchan liked a post on Instagram related to divorce, further fueling rumors. Despite ongoing speculation for the post month, neither Abhishek nor Aishwarya have issued an official statement regarding their relationship. Well, उनकी divorce rumors अभिषेक बच्चन के स्टेटमेंट से क्लियर हो गए थे कि वो अपनी वाइफ से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन अमिताभ बच्चन का ये कहना कि घर पे शांति नहीं थी सबको फिर से थोड़ा डाउट में डाल देता है. On the work front, Amitabh Bachchan was recently featured in Kalki 2898 AD, a science fiction mythological dystopian drama directed by Nag Ashwin. The film also stars Prabhas, Deepika Padukone and Kamal Hassan, with Bachchan playing the role of Ashwathama. Bachchan will soon appear in Vitania, a Tamil action drama alongside Rajnikant. The film marks their first collaboration in 33 years and is set to release in theaters on October 10, 2024. Well, what are your views on Amitabh Bachchan's statement? Let us know in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.